In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a product page and look for the protection plan. First, start by navigating to the product page for the item you want to review. This could be any product listing on an online store. Once the page has fully loaded, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. Most product pages include the main product image, title, price, delivery details, and purchase options near the top or center of the screen. Moving slowly at the beginning helps make sure you do not miss anything important. Next, focus your attention on the section around the buying options. In many online stores, the protection plan is displayed close to the price, the add to cart area, or somewhere just below the main product details. The exact placement can vary depending on the website, the type of product, or whether the store offers coverage for that item, so it is helpful to scan the page carefully rather than assuming it will always appear in the same place. As you look through the page, watch for wording such as protection plan, extended coverage, accident protection, or warranty-related options. Sometimes this section appears as a small checkbox, a selectable add-on, or a separate panel with pricing information. If you are on a mobile device, you may need to scroll a bit more than you would on a desktop, since sections are often stacked vertically. If you do not immediately see the protection plan, continue scrolling through the product details area and nearby